Okay, I'm kind of curious of how deep this snow is right here. We're at the Virginia Beach oceanfront, and it's December 27th, 2010, down here by the big Neptune looking thing. I'm gonna try it out just by jumping into it, which is probably stupid, but Geronimo! It's only 2.5 feet. Let's go in the water. I can't be so cold. Well, one thing to say about storms like this, you're gonna love it or hate it, but it's very rare in these parts we get ones like this, ones this big. See ya.